Have you been struggling with displaying just the post title in the title tag of your blog or a blogspot? You are in the right place. By eliminating the blog name from the post title tag, you can enhance your search engine optimization and ensure a cleaner presentation on search engine results page. Hello friends, this is Om Prakash. Welcome you all to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to efficiently remove the blog name from the post title tag in your blog or website, saving you time and enhancing your SEO efforts and improving your search engine rankings. Let's get started. As you can see, this is the blog post and this is the title of this off-page SEO techniques that drive traffic on your website. Let us see it. And as you can see, the characters are 58 characters. And if you see the source page, simply by pressing Ctrl U, as you can see here the title. As you can see, the title is 58 characters containing, but after publishing it, it has added the blog title or blog name. As a result, total character extended from 58 to 119 characters. As you can see, the characters extended from 58 to 119 characters. Blog post title with long character is not good for search engine results page because search engine prefers more relevant title rather picking long title, and after 60 characters viewers won't able to see the rest of the title on search result page because it truncates the text. Google truncates the text. From this point of view, removing blog name from post title tag would be a wise decision. To remove blog name from page title in individual blog post and blogger, the procedure is, first of all, go to your blogger dashboard and go to select the theme tab, and here click on edit HTML, and before that you should back up your file. Just click on backup and download, and then go to edit HTML. This is the code we have changed this code. As you can see in the code itself, here is the data, blog page name, hyphen, then blog title. For that it is coming here hyphen, then blog name or blog title. So you have to replace that with this code. After replacing the code, hit the save button. Now refresh this page. As you can see, blog name or blog title is now removed from the blog post title. After adding this SEO trick, please submit your blog sitemap on Google Search Console. As well as ping your site by using any ping tool. If possible, publish a new article. SEO is always variable, not a stable thing. So for the time being, we have to adopt different SEO strategy to cope up with Google's latest algorithm. After applying this optimization trick, it will go through a period to take effect completely, and this is completely depending on Google search boards. As soon as Google reindex your blog post title, then it will be appear on search results without blog or website name at the end of the title. That's it. You have successfully removed the blog name from the post title tag in Blogger Blogspot website. This simple fix can greatly improve the optimization of your blog for search engines. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks for blogger and SEO. See you soon and happy blogging. Take care. Bye.